So this is a handy trick when using a multi-tool, is take any card, could be a credit card, in this case it's an old AutoZone members card, and you put it on the surface where the blade is going to be resting while you cut. So in this case, when I was cutting these back panels, the card was sitting against here, and then when you put the blade against it like this, instead of the blade rubbing up and down on the wood, it's actually rubbing up and down on the card. Now, it does leave a little tiny bit of a lip there because you're doing that, but that's nothing that a sander can't easily take care of. But it prevents this from getting all chewed up and getting all kinds of tooth marks or chips from like the edge of the blade and things like that. The other thing is, just like when we were cutting with the track saw, we use painter's tape, and I put it on the outside of the cut, so that way when the blade's coming through, it's not tearing out. Now you got these little bit of feathering here. So you can zoom in and see it. A little bit of feathering there, but that's not tear out, right? So that's all still well attached, no chips or anything in that wood or in that panel. So just a little bit of light sanding with a 220 grit or 120 grit will smooth that right out.